For today's Healthy Eats, we're learning more about root vegetables. This category of vegetables comes packed full of nutrients, is versatile, and it's very tasty. So let's find out why we should all be adding more root vegetables to our grocery carts. Joining us today is registered dietitian, nutritionist Vicki Shanta Ratelny. Vicki, we know that these root vegetables add a bright color to our plates, but it's the root that has all the nutrients in it. What are the health benefits?
Root vegetables are so beneficial for our overall health. You know, in general, they contain so many vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. So actually, all root vegetables contain nitric oxide from nitrates, and that's really beneficial at keeping our blood vessels healthy, keeping them open, keeping our blood flowing smoothly, our cardiovascular system healthy, our brain healthy.
All right, so we're going to highlight 4 popular root vegetables today, and let's kick it off with carrots.
The pigment of the carrot gives it so much nutritional value. You get a lot of vitamin A in carrots particularly, which is beta carotene. That's great for our eye health. That soluble fiber you're getting in a carrot. That's going to help keep your cholesterol levels in check, keep your blood vessels healthy.
Now this next one I would think to eat more in the winter, but I actually can understand why it would be a spring and summer root vegetable, and those are beets.
They are available all year long. Beets are jam-packed with betalain, which comes from the pigment of the beet, and it helps with cancer prevention. It helps as an anti-inflammatory. So beets have a lot of beneficial value nutritionally and also physiologically in our body.
Next up, we'll talk about radishes. What makes them so healthy?
Radishes are so low calorie. There's 1 calorie per radish, and they are jam-packed with fiber. So they do contain a type of fiber called inulin, which actually helps with gut health. Also, radishes are jam-packed with vitamin C.
Let's move on to one that's a little bit less familiar to everybody, and that's jicama.
Jicama has a ton of nutritional value. It's jam-packed with antioxidants, vitamin A, vitamin C, even vitamin E, which is so beneficial for cardiovascular health and overall cell health, and actually also selenium, which is another antioxidant.
Let's put jicama front and center on everyone's plate. You've got a tasty recipe for us today.
Yes, I'm making a ginger lime jicama edamame street taco. So I've got my edamame in this bowl that's already pre-cooked, and then I'm just going to add my ginger first to the edamame, and then I'm going to add some freshly squeezed lime, and then you're going to add your jicama. I buy pre-cut jicama, so you don't have to peel it and take it out of its own skin. It adds such nice nutritional value and such a crisp, refreshing flavor. And then you're going to add some cherry tomatoes, and I've already pre-sliced these. I just chopped them in half. I'm going to add just a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, cumin, little pinch of salt. Mix this together.
All right, Vicki, that looks delicious. Let's put it in those taco shells.
You just fill your tortilla with the mixture, top it with cilantro, avocado.
Those are wonderful. I can't wait to make them myself. So I think it's really important for all of us to remember to add root vegetables to our meal planning because they're so good for us.
Absolutely. I love root vegetables. In this dish, we use jicama, but carrot, beets, radishes, they're all so great for you, and you can have them all year long.
Thanks, Vicki. Okay, now it's your turn. What is your favorite root vegetable? Let us know on Facebook. Just search for Living Healthy Chicago. So if you like this video and you want more Living Healthy, just subscribe to our channel. We're happy you're here.